Here's where you can find the RAM Boost feature, which increases the processing speed of your Motorola phone with Android 15, and it's gonna use up some of your device storage that's built in. Let's go ahead and get started. Whether you want to do this today or next year, go into the quick access by pulling it down twice until you see the settings toggle found at the bottom right section. Once you reach here to this part, the fastest way to find this feature to know if you actually have it is by using the search settings. And usually once you type in the words RAM, you're going to see some RAM suggestions, and one of them would be the boost option right here. When you see it, tap on it one time and it'll take you straight into it. So you're going to see your current device memory, and it's also going to show you the boost option selected. And at default, it'll be set to the AI auto, which it's going to decide how much more it's most likely going to need so that you won't use that much storage from your phone if you don't need it. Do ignore the birds chirping. And it's going to show you the separation here. Brown is the boosted and black is the original here. And you can also go down and choose whether you want 2, 4, or 8 manually instead of letting the AI do it for you. Now, if you don't want any of your storage being used and you don't want this feature to be used at all, just turn it off and you'll have to restart your phone. And once you restart it, you'll come back and see it's off and you're good to go. Like and sub.